Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hi, what's up guys? Meet with me again in New CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to find MAC address in Windows 10. Okay, first, you must press Windows button plus R in your keyboard. After you press, it will appear run box line like this. And while this open in the combo box, you can type CMD like this. After you press or type CMD like this, just click OK in here. Then to find your MAC address, just type ipconfig slice all like this. ipconfig space slice all and hit enter. Okay, you can see here your Ethernet MAC address is in here. In this case, I have to MAC address one for Ethernet and number two is for wireless. You can copy by block your Ethernet and right click. After right click, you can just Control V or paste here. Your Ethernet is this is for LAN. Your Ethernet, for example, guys, and then you can block again for wireless Ethernet and right click again, and then just Control V for Wi-Fi. Okay, this is your Ethernet. For LAN or Ethernet card, this is for Wi-Fi or WLAN. Okay, that's all tutorial how to find MAC address on Windows 10. Thanks for watching and bye bye.